Creating a budget that truly works begins with a clear understanding of your financial reality and your goals. First, gather all your sources of income and track every expense from the past few months. Be thorough and honest with yourself as you list bills, loan payments, subscription services, groceries, dining out, transportation, and any other spending. This comprehensive overview reveals exactly where your money is going and highlights opportunities to improve. Next, categorize your expenses into essential needs, flexible costs, and savings goals. Essential needs are things you must pay: rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and minimum debt payments. Flexible costs include groceries, transportation, entertainment, and discretionary purchases. Establishing these categories helps you see which expenses you can adjust. It also allows you to prioritize what's important: food and shelter before dining out and hobbies, for example, without feeling deprived of the finer things in life. After organizing your spending, set specific, realistic financial goals. Determine how much you want to save each month, pay down debt, or invest for the future. Your budget should be a tool that drives you toward those goals. For instance, if you have credit card debt, allocating extra to paying it off faster could be a goal. If building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation is important, your budget must include steady contributions toward that. Goals make the budgeting process meaningful and motivating. With your income, expenses, and goals in hand, it's time to decide on a budgeting approach. A very effective method is the 50-30-20 rule. Dedicate 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Alternatively, a zero-based budget assigns every dollar a purpose until income minus expenses equals zero, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Choose the method that fits your personality and situation. The best budget is the one you will follow consistently. Whatever system you pick, base it on realistic figures derived from your tracked spending. Implement your budget using tools or techniques that suit you. Some people use spreadsheets or budgeting apps to automatically track income and expenses. Others find success with the envelope system, setting aside cash for each spending category to physically limit overspending. The key is to make monitoring your budget easy and regular. Every week or month, compare your actual spending to your budget. Note where you overspend or underspend and adjust accordingly. This regular review transforms budgeting from a static plan into a dynamic process. Maintaining discipline and flexibility is crucial. If you overshoot on dining out, compensate by cutting back on entertainment or delaying a non-essential purchase. Likewise, if you spend less in one category, redirect the extra money towards savings or another goal. Update your budget at least monthly to reflect changes in income or expenses or any shifts in your goals. This iterative process ensures your budget remains aligned with your life circumstances and continues to work effectively over time. Stay motivated by remembering why you budget: to achieve financial freedom, reduce stress, and build a secure future. Every time you make a budgeted choice, whether it's cooking at home instead of ordering takeout or transferring funds to a savings account, you take a step closer to your goals. Over time, consistent adherence to your budget will yield progress and confidence in handling your money. The process demands commitment, but the reward is control over your finances instead of feeling controlled by them. Now is the moment to take action. Turn this plan into reality today by creating your own budget that reflects your income, expenses, and ambitions. Commit to tracking and adjusting it regularly. With determination and a clear plan, you will develop a budgeting system that empowers you to achieve your financial goals. Start right now and take control of your financial future.